by the end of this tutorial, your footage should look something like this. This is a Gym Graphics V3 tutorial for CapCut. These graphics work in all aspect ratios, square, portrait, and landscape for all social media platforms. Once you purchase your graphics, you receive a download link. Make sure to download and unzip the folder. Once you've done that, make sure to open up CapCut, and then you're good to go. In the media section, make sure to create a folder where you will upload all your graphics. And shortly after that, once you've uploaded all your graphics, make a second folder. This folder will be for your footage. So if you're doing a chest workout, upload all your chest exercises in this folder. Once you've uploaded all your footage, start dragging and dropping all your clips onto the timeline. And then whatever I like to do is add a gradient above my footage so the graphics stand out. I'll put the link to the gradient below, which you guys can download. So make sure to drag and drop this set of graphics which you want to demonstrate within the exercise, and trim up to 5 seconds or more if you want your video to be longer, and make the adjustments needed. I like to create contrast between the main title and the second title, so I like to use a thinner font and a bold font with a block behind it. When it comes to animating the graphics, I like to add a keyframe at the start of the video and 1 second into the video, and repeat the same keyframe at the end of the video. So the keyframe changes the opacity from 0 to 100, which will create an animation of a gradual appearance of all the graphics. So it should look something like this. If you guys want to see more tutorials about keyframing, just let me know below, and I'm more than happy to do a separate tutorial for that. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the subscribe button. Let us know what else you'd like to see next. If you don't grab the Gym Graphics, I'll put the link in the description box. Guys, see you on the next one.